Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel again. This is Mark Power, your stuttering specialist. And today I'm going to talk about how to learn how to talk without stuttering in 2 weeks. Um, the way we do that is with an intensive stuttering treatment program. Uh, there are two parts to the program. The first part takes about 2 weeks and is called the establishment program. During this time, you learn how to talk without stuttering. And this is going to be effective with your clinician and also probably with some family members. After this, you need to start using that speech in harder situations. So in order to establish your stutter-free speech, you need to work every day for at least several weeks. This is because you're learning a motor skill, basically. You're learning how to change the way you talk. If you try to do this once a week or every couple of days, you really will spend a lot of time trying to catch up on what you learned before. It's like, think of it as like learning how to play the saxophone or learning how to play tennis. You'll do a lot, or learning a new language, which it really is. You'll do a lot better if you do it every day for several weeks than if you have some time skipped in between. If you're learning a new language and you're in France, you're probably going to have a better chance of learning French. It's like that. Then, after you've learned this new technique to talk without stuttering by changing the way you talk consistently, then you start transferring that new speech into your real world speaking situations. And the way we do this is gradually, because you know that people who stutter have a lot of anxiety built up in speaking situations. So we start out with really easy speaking situations, like somebody in your family or your wife or husband, and you use your new speech technique for a short period of time and evaluate how you do. And as you get better at that, you do it for longer periods of time in easy situations. Then you're ready after a week or so to try it in harder situations, but not too hard. Maybe with a friend or a family member that doesn't live with you. And over a period of several months, you gradually build up your ability to use your new technique in harder situations, but you take your time doing that. So that's why it lasts several months. So basically, there's two parts to an effective program. The first part is the establishment, learning the technique of talking without stuttering, and that takes several weeks of daily work with a stuttering specialist who knows what they're doing. And the second part is several months being monitored by that same specialist. But maybe on a weekly basis, you contact the specialist and start a new level of difficulty with your speaking situations. So there's a program that fits all of these parameters, and it's a program that I've been using for many years. It's called the Stutter-free Speech Program. And basically, the intensive part of the program takes 1 week, every day for 1 week. And you change the way you talk by controlling your speech rate. And in order to do that, we have you download an app called the Delayed Auditory Feedback app. And that helps you control your speaking rate. So you start out at a very slow rate where you can't stutter at all. And then you gradually move that rate over several days to faster rates until you're speaking at a normal speaking rate and not stuttering. Then you go into that second part, which is the transfer. And that's less intensive. So we do that at about a weekly basis. So you move from the easiest situations in your life to the harder situations. And the goal is you have stutter-free speech, natural sounding all day long, talking with anyone. So this is the program that I'm using now. There's a link below you can click on to schedule a free consultation with me to discuss whether this program is a fit for you, whether you're a good candidate, and also I can find out more about your stuttering and help you to see what your next steps are. Okay, well, thanks for listening. I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Mark Power here, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Also, be sure to hit the share button and leave us a comment below so that others can benefit from it as well. I'll be recording a lot more helpful videos like this one to help you overcome your stuttering. And if you'd like to be notified, then click on the bell icon below.